whoops, got stopped there. As I was saying, in this scenario, the area of our base would be the dimensions of 9 centimeters here and 6 centimeters here. So to find the area of the base, which is a rectangle, we multiply 6 times 9, which gives us 54. At that point, we look over here, we have the area of the base, which is 54. Now we need to multiply that by the height. Okay, so if the height of our rectangular prism is 4.5, we're multiplying the area of the base, 54, times 4.5. When we multiply 54 times 4.5, we get...
Angelique Gomez, can you please come to the front office? Angelique Gomez to the front office.
So those of you in my second class, feels like we're actually in class because we're still getting interrupted. Anyways, 54 times 4.5 would give me the answer of 243 cubic centimeters. And normally we're used to putting squared centimeters. That's for area because area is a two-dimensional shape. However, in this scenario, we are multiplying the length times the width times the height. So because we're measuring a three-dimensional object, we have a number 3 here for our exponent. Okay, so moving on to our second side of our page. Here is your practice. Rectangular prisms. Find the volume of each rectangular prism below. All measurements are in centimeters. Roll a pair of dice, find the sum of the two numbers shown below, solve that problem. So don't worry about those directions. You are going to find the volume, but the questions I highlighted, 1, 5, 6, 8, and 9, those are the 5 questions I want you to do for homework. Okay, so again, you're finding the volume of rectangular prisms. There's 2 ways to find that. Okay, again, we're finding either the area of the base times the height, so the length times the width, which is the area of the base times the height, or for rectangular prisms, you can also multiply length times width times height. So if you're curious, in this question, if we were to multiply the length times the width times the height, which would be 6 times 9 times 4.5, if we multiplied 4.5 times 9 first, we get 45. 9 times 4 is 36, plus 4 is 40. That would be 40.5. And then if we had this other dimension of 6 centimeters, I would multiply this by 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 3, 24, put my decimal. I still get 243 centimeters. So either equation, cubic centimeters, either equation will give me the correct answer. You can either use, again, the area of the base times the height or length times width times height. Okay, because it's a 3D shape, don't forget the exponent to the 3rd power. Good luck.